Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jonathan here. So, a couple weeks ago, I was just Googling random stuff and I was looking at different statistics. And one of the statistics I found was that only 47% of Americans own a stock. I gotta figure that the stock market's the easiest way to invest, so you would think there would be a lot more people investing in stocks. So, for me, I thought to myself, what stopped me from investing in the first place? And for me, it was a lack of knowledge, but it was also because I didn't get a chance to see somebody actually invest themselves. And this got me thinking that there's not too many YouTubers out there that are sharing a public portfolio with their audience on YouTube. There's a lot of them who are sharing it with maybe their private stock group or something like that. I figured, why don't we make an account that's kind of like a public portfolio that everyone could see and that I could kind of show how I think about buying stocks and why I make certain moves when I do. So, because of that, I decided that I'm actually going to make a portfolio, and every week I'm going to invest $10. And for some of you guys out there, you might think $10 is like nothing. Why are you even wasting our time with that? The reason why I chose $10 was because it's very realistic for all of us to save $10 a week. You know, $10 a week, that's two drinks from Starbucks, that's a meal at Chick-fil-A, that's about a meal and a third at In-N-Out. Like, $10 is not an insane amount of money to ask somebody to save every week. So I figured, okay, let's make a portfolio where every week we're gonna put in $10 and we're gonna invest it. And when I'm investing this, I'm not only going to say like, hey, I bought this stock. I'm going to say, hey, I bought this stock because of X, Y, and Z. That caused me to think, okay, so I know what I want to do, but what platform am I going to do it on? And initially, like, I already have accounts at like all the like major like millennial stock accounts like Webull and Robinhood and all that good stuff. I didn't have an account with Public at the time. I figured that Public would be the perfect platform for this, given that the whole point of their app is to share your moves with your community. So I figured, okay, that makes sense. This will be the perfect application for what I want to do. So basically what we're doing is that every week we're gonna deposit $10 into this account, and every week I'm gonna be forced to buy something. And I'm going to basically keep track of whatever I buy. And every Saturday, I'm going to make a video like this. We're going to talk about the different stock picks I made, and why I made them, and why I did this. And my ideal is that for this account, it'll be mostly a buy and hold account. But if I do sell, I will also explain why I sold as well. So here I have my portfolio for Public. I have $20.32 in the account. And my cost basis is $20. And really where the $20 came from is that when I first signed up for the account, I got a free stock. If you're interested in signing up for Public and seeing the moves that I make in real time, I have a link in the description below where you'll get a free stock when you sign up. So when I signed up, I got $10 worth of Tesla in this account. So that makes up the first part of my account. Then I deposited another $10 for this week as well. The stock that I initially got has actually appreciated a little bit. That's why it's over $20. But it was $10 from that sign up bonus, and it was another $10 I deposited. Here's the Tesla stock that I got. It was $10 initially, and then it's gained 31 cents, as you can see here. That one I just earned, so like I didn't really have a choice on buying it. But I just decided, since Tesla is one of my favorite stocks, I'm just going to keep it and let that chill. Then once I deposited my $10, so I decided to split that money up between two stocks. And this is another awesome thing with Public as well, is that you can actually buy fractional shares. So this $10 every week, it's not like I'm gonna have to dump it all into one company. So this week I decided to split up those $10 into two different companies. The first company was Amazon. And with Amazon, I kind of bought it at the end of the day on Friday. So it really didn't move much. I guess it gained a cent. And one thing to note is that sometimes with these platforms, it may say I only bought $4.98 of the stock, but I put in the order for $5 and it tried to execute $5 as closely as possible. So sometimes it won't execute $5 on the dot. So don't be alarmed by that if you see that. I did put in an order for $5 and this is what I got. So there you go. So there's Amazon. And then the other stock I decided to invest in was Google as well. On Friday, they were both having red days. So I decided that, you know what, let's just start off with these two companies, get a little bit of diversification in this portfolio. If you watched my previous video about top 4 stocks for Q4 2021, these are two stocks that I did mention. So they're along the lines of my investment type. I don't want to make this video too long, so I thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in public, please check out the link down below. Also, before we go, between now and when I post the next update video, for every like that I get on this video, I'll buy $1 worth of either AMC or GME, and I'll buy it on Publix. So you can track me on Public to see that I bought those shares. Also, if you enjoyed this series and you want to track my progress, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Let me know in the comment sections what you think. I'd love to hear from you guys. And as usual, check out all my social medias. And I'll see you guys in the next video.